Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial, Jedi Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive Ethereum using your Ethereum wallet. So let's jump right into it. The first step here is to copy and paste your address. So I'll show you how you do that. You do want to access your Ethereum wallet. So this is what it looks like. If you have not yet downloaded and installed an Ethereum wallet, go watch my previous tutorial on how to do that. It would be how to set up the Ethereum wallet video. Go download the Ethereum wallet first and then come back to this video once you have your Ethereum wallet. And all you have to do here, once you have your account, is click account 1. And what we're going to do here is copy the address right here. So let's move on to step number 2 here, which is to send the public address to the account sending you ETH or Ether. Now that you copied and pasted your address, you have a couple options here. You could either send it to yourself to a different account, or you could send it to a friend. So you could go ahead and email this address to them so that they could send you Ethereum. But first, you do want to send a small test transaction first, about $5 or $7. In this video, I'm going to use my other Ethereum account. So I could pull up my Exodus right here. And what I could do is go to Wallet here. And what I could do is click Send. And then I could copy and paste the address. The last 6 characters here is 100B8B. And that's the same address for my Ethereum wallet right here. The last 6 characters is 100B8B. So this is the correct address. What I want to do next is send a small transaction first. So I'm going to send $5 worth. And I could just go ahead and click send. The network fee will be 3 cents. That's fine with me. I'm going to go ahead and click send. It says, are you sure you want to continue? I'm going to say yes, send. And it says that it just sent a few seconds ago. So let's go to step number 3 here, which is to verify the pending transaction. And to be clear, while it's pending, we could check the blockchain. And the way we do that is on etherscan.io. This is the website right here. And it is a secure website. You could tell by this green padlock right here. And it is a HTTPS website, so that's good. And what we're going to do here is copy and paste our Ethereum wallet address into here. And then we can click go. And what you'll notice is that the last transaction here, which said in, which went inside the account, is 0.0273. That was about 2 minutes ago, so that's fine. And that's how you verify the transaction. And step number 4 here is to receive the ETH, which we did. If we go back to my Ethereum wallet, it shows up right here. So that's good. And we already checked the block explorer, but you can, refresh this page and see that the transaction is still in. So that's good. So the last step here is to receive the rest of the ETH and get it sent to your Ethereum wallet. You do want to confirm to the sender, to the person sending you ETH, that you did receive the test transaction. Go ahead and email them and let them know that you received it. So for this video, I can confirm that I received it. So I'm going to move on to sending the rest of the ETH to this account. So I'm going to go back to Exodus here. And I'm just going to click send. And then type in the address, the same address that I sent before. Remember, the last 6 characters is 100B8B. I'll click all to send the rest of the ETH, which will be $87. It's a 3-cent network fee, and I'm going to go ahead and click send. Are you sure you want to send the $87.07? I'm going to go ahead and click yes, send. And there you go. So like before, we can go back to Etherscan here and then type in the address and click go. And you'll notice it doesn't show up yet because it's still processing, but if you keep refreshing it, it'll eventually show up. Now that I refreshed it, if I refresh it again and then put in the address and click go, you'll notice that it does pop up here 41 seconds ago. It went inside the account and it sent 0.472 Ether. And we can verify that by going back to here, this Ethereum wallet, and you'll see that the rest of the money is sent to the account. So great, we officially received all the ETH and we received it to our Ethereum wallet. And that actually concludes my video. In this video, I am not talking about how to back up or protect or even update the wallet. I just wanted to show you how to receive the Ethereum using your Ethereum wallet. If you like watching blockchain tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint. You could also get 10% off using my promo code DENNY2018. Go ahead and check out the display address here on the screen or check out the links below. You could also follow our team on Twitter. My handle is Denny Lovejoy. And thank you so much for watching this blockchain tutorial on how to receive ETH using your Ethereum wallet. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, let me know on Twitter. Thanks again, have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.